Today's video will be based on surveying points and lines. With the required job open, select the Survey tab. The two main survey functions to use are Survey Points and Auto Survey of Points. Survey Points will now be shown. Select Survey Points. On the right side of the screen, the precision/accuracy and rover status are displayed. It is required to have a fixed status and a green icon for the precision to store points. The green icon indicates we are within the precision threshold. The red icon indicates we are outside the threshold. The top of the screen displays the current easting, northing, and RL. The top left of screen displays the current pole height of the staff. Make sure the physical pole height and this value match. 2 meters is the recommended height. However, this can be changed by selecting the pole height icon and inputting a new value. Displayed below the pole height icon is the current type of drawing feature that will be created when storing points. By selecting this icon, all possible features that can be made during survey are displayed. On the bottom right of the graphical area is the tilted pole function. Press the icon shown and select Tilted Pole. Move the pole around in circular motions while keeping the tip of the pole on the ground. Once the tilted pole has been initialized, there will be a green tick with a tilt value in degrees displayed. This allows you to store points on angles up to 60 degrees from vertical while maintaining accuracy. This is very useful for storing points on the side of stockpiles, against walls or light poles, and doesn't require you to focus on the bubble level. On the bottom of screen, the current point name and survey code are displayed. To change the point name, select the box to the right of point. Select the ABC button to display the keyboard. Type a suitable name for the points about to be surveyed. In this example, we're going to survey a boundary line. Therefore, the point name boundary is used. It is recommended to select Copy to save the current point name to the clipboard for easy access in later steps. Select the tick on the middle right of screen to go back to the survey screen. Survey codes are used to further define what is being surveyed and group similar objects onto the same layer automatically. Some examples are culverts, water pipes, and drain point codes are all on the same layer drainage. Select the gray code box. The first column on this list displays the symbol used on screen for the given code. The second column displays the drawing feature that will be used, point, line, etc. The third column displays the survey code ID number and the description of the survey code. The fourth column displays the line type, such as solid, dashed, dotted, etc. The final column displays the layer the code is linked to and the color of features using this code. It is possible to search the default code list by selecting the orange box on the bottom of screen and typing a keyword. In this example, we are surveying a boundary line. Therefore, the keyword used to search is boundary. We can select the paste button and select boundary. In this example, we will select lot boundary code 53. With the device in position, select Measure and Store on the bottom right of screen. Hold the unit still until a notification appears on the bottom of screen stating point saved. Move to the next location and repeat the process until the boundary has been surveyed. We will now survey features within the boundary, starting with a grate. Change the point name to grate, and then search for a survey code that matches closely to the feature being surveyed. In this example, code 309 matches closely. Measure and store as many points and lines as required. With all the points and features surveyed, we can view the data in the CAD module. Double-click on the graphic area to quickly open the CAD module. You can use the CAD design tools to create lines, circles, arcs, layouts, area calculations, and more. Press the graphical area once, and then press the red X on the top of the screen to exit the CAD module to continue surveying.